I am sincerely interested in oral hygiene as a tool for prevention. It's because it's one of the main ways that I can help limit the financial and emotional stress many people experience related to dental work. It's not because I'm really into gums or something. The best way to keep people from the stress of the dental procedure is to minimize the number of times the teeth actually have to be worked on. This feels like real prevention to me. While at Transcendental Health we do dental work for a living, the goal in our office is to help our patients to stop all preventable dental work. This includes, but is not limited to, all types of fillings, crowns, root canals, and periodontal surgeries. Our protocols are effective in preventing all types of dental procedures because they go to the root of how disease works in our mouths and bodies. They include natural, local or in-the-mouth strategies for controlling disease and systemic nutritional support strategies for giving the oral cavity what it needs nutritionally for being at its best. I want to help set a new standard for a daily approach to oral health that actually looks at the truth and looks at the big picture. I want to help us take our approach to oral health up a notch. There are a few criteria for the products I use and recommend for my patients. First, they cannot be poisonous in any way. Examples of this include the fluoride in toothpaste, the caustic alcohol in mouth rinses, and other harmful chemicals like triclosan or chlorhexidine found in some prescription and over-the-counter products. Did you know when you use most over-the-counter products like mouth rinses to prevent bad breath, you actually kill the good and bad bacteria? Also, did you know that it's up to the good bacteria to keep the bad breath-causing bacteria in check? In fact, Streptococcus salivarius, a bacteria often found in healthy mouths, is deficient in those who suffer from bad breath. We have to remember that our oral cavity depends on a healthy and delicate balance of bacteria for its ideal function. It's not just about having something that burns that will kill all the bad bugs in the mouth. Intestinal probiotics have gone mainstream, and more people everywhere are talking about the importance of gut health as it relates to our general health. With our mouths being the bacterial gateway to our digestive tracts, I believe a more truth-based approach to health is needed with respect to oral products so that our oral ecology contributes to a healthy overall microbiome. This means that the best long-term solution to eradicating bad breath is to repopulate your oral cavity with good oral bacteria. Typically, we try to mask bad breath with cosmetic products such as mouth rinses, mints, gums, or sprays. While it may offer a quick fix, the mints people use to cover their bad breath are many times what is causing their cavities or decay. Using safe products in the mouth is critical for a person who's desiring to improve their overall health. The absorptive capacity of the mouth has been estimated to be the size of a tennis court. When you put a toxic, unnatural chemical in your mouth, like an unhealthy dental toothpaste or rinse, you unknowingly expose your whole body to pollutants. And more people improve the health quality, as more and more people improve the health quality of their diets and choose foods or products that are natural or organic, they slowly improve health by limiting the number of synthetic toxins that go into their bodies. What I'm talking about is exactly the same concept. We are intentionally only exposing the body to a safe material or product in the way that it improves health through lessening the bioaccumulation of toxins. Most illnesses today are the result of the accumulation of toxins, called toxic buildup diseases. Examples of toxic buildup diseases include cancer, autoimmune disease, and neurological diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. I affectionately call it the Transcendental Health Declaration of Oral Independence. Products don't have to be poisonous to be effective at controlling infection or odor in the mouth, or to promote better oral health. There's no magic to over-the-counter oral health products like the traditional toothpaste and mouth rinses we all grew up on. They are dentistry's example of bad medicine. At Transcendental Health, we pay attention to timeless health factors like pH and alkalinity. We advocate the use of essential oils and take a weed, seed, and feed approach to improving tooth and gum health. where we use natural products to nourish gum tissue and lower levels of pathogenic bacteria, and then help to seed or repopulate the mouth with health-producing oral probiotics. Essential oils kill bacteria naturally in ways that oral bacteria cannot ever grow a resistance to, as with antibiotics and allopathic medicine now. Indeed, it is the superinfections created by the overuse of antibiotics that have medical doctors the most worried now. I think the mouth is no less important. The more natural your daily approach to oral health is with respect to products and strategies, the longer the tissues of the mouth will look, work, and function ideally. This way, a person's mouth can improve the quality of their experience and contribute positively to their overall life. Maintaining a healthy pH in the oral cavity doesn't just improve gum health. When it comes to remineralization of teeth or the natural healing of cavities, one can only hope to naturally heal a tooth by maintaining a healthy, alkaline oral environment. Altering the acidic or low pH environment the patient had to create to get the decay is critical if you want to tease minerals back into the teeth with the appropriate amounts of fat-soluble vitamins, minerals, and systemic support from the blood. Then there is the importance of brushing and flossing. While diet plays a huge role in the formation of cavities in our teeth, we have to remember that when bacteria sit around our mouths for a long time, they form more and more sophisticated biofilms. These are like sophisticated bacterial cities in the mouth. Wise old biofilms in the mouth use many natural strategies to resist our natural salivary immune defenses for preventing disease. This is what leads to periodontal disease and oral decay, these sophisticated biofilms. One of the keys, therefore, is to constantly and consistently disrupt the biofilms that are ever forming in the human mouth. This is really the only goal of manual oral hygiene practices like brushing and flossing. You are trying to disrupt the plaque matrix. This is where the biofilms develop. At Transcendental Health, we act as teachers of daily schedules and protocols for removing this plaque matrix that leads to the creation of disease-causing biofilms. At Transcendental Health, we fight intelligently with oral biofilms by using ozone, colloidal silver, by sharing strategies for controlling plaque, by employing high-quality essential oil blends that naturally kill bad bug bacteria and break down biofilms, and by advocating products that alkalize the mouth and slow the growth of harmful bacteria. We also repopulate the mouth with health-producing bacteria found in our oral probiotics, which help to change the culture of your mouth over time to one of health, beauty, confidence, and stability. In our practice, we use a phase contrast microscope to help accurately identify what types of bacteria are thriving in the mouth and advocate water picks and other oral irrigators to help reestablish a healthy oral ecology. We recommend pH testing to help understand the connection between your diet, water intake, sleep, lifestyle, and your propensity for decay and other oral diseases. We occasionally recommend dosed xylitol to help competitively push out the oral bacteria called strep mutans, which is the bacteria thought to be associated with decay. We like to get our patients involved in the care of their own bodies. We see health as a gift and want to help people take more responsibility for their mouths. It's like taking a shower and cleaning your body. Ideally, it would happen, well, on a daily basis. It's our passion at Transcendental Health to provide many people high-quality, healthy, truth-based options when it comes to the services and products used for improving oral health. The more we make the game or goal about prevention and creating health, the less we have to perform expensive, damaging treatments on the teeth and gums, and the happier everyone is for it.